Hi, this is Kelly with Kelly's Estate and Auction Company, and we are at the home of Gloria Ormond, and the auction ends tomorrow night from 6 until 8:30, and we're going to post a link with this so that you can see all the items for sale. So this is Monday. There's some furniture that's for sale out there. This is a great house. It is already sold, and the items that I'm going to show you are already on auction. This is the primitive pine drop leaf table, and that whole piece, this whole piece right here is one board. Fabulous piece. IKEA chairs are awesome. They're ergonomically correct. These are the 4 chairs, and they are all signed TAA on the back. There will also be lots of items here that you can buy that are not on auction. That's the tea cart. Here is one of the sofas. This is by Row Furniture. So when you come, you actually get to shop when you come. There's stuff in the drawers, tools and stuff to dig through, and probably to dig with too. All down in here in the kitchen cabinets, up there in the kitchen cabinets, there are items that are not at auction. Just like you see that item, that is number 125. But all kind of things that you can buy. And what we've done, also the refrigerator, let me back up, that is 122. Super nice. Super nice. Ice and water in the door. And what we've done is this room right here has been designated for the auction items that are either going to be listed or are listed. It makes it easier for us to find on pickup day. Now, all of these items you can see online. And they'll have an item number just like these. That is lot number 80. Look at this jewel right here. Sterling silver. Now, this is one of those attic finds right here. Got the teardrops right there. Prisms hanging from it, and trust me, it did not look like that. Joseph worked on that for quite a while. Gorgeous chairs. We've got lots of linens. All of these items are on auction. This actually doesn't have a bid on it, and it needs to. This is Victorian. That is a sterling silver overlay. Super, super nice. Cast iron skillets. So let's just say you like lot number 129. You go on that link and you look for it. Marble Joan of Arc. This is ancient right here. Look at this pressure cooker. That's lot 103. There's a tabletop wine press. All these items are either listed or will be listed, and let's just say hypothetically we don't get to it. You can buy it when you get here. We probably will. This is a cool little piece right there. That is a glass candy container that looks like a pistol. Who knew? Over here is the sterling silver goblets. Lot number 25. This is a great piece. Now that's all sterling. And there's another piece that is all sterling. And this beautiful peacock bowl here. The vintage Lion of Judah candelabras. These are just the sweetest things ever. Look at that. Look at these. This is called Lamb, L-A-M-B, Lamb Man, I think. Lamb Man. Cute little piece right here. All these pieces are at auction. And of course, when you pick up, you can buy more. Nice piece right here. This is a window bench seat, Regency style, on rollers. And look at that wallpaper mural right there. This house is fantastic. All these chairs and things are on auction. So is this mid-century modern sofa, which still has the paperwork with it. Are you kidding me? Now this looks like it came off the showroom floor. These blinds have been drawn, so you don't have any sun damage here, which is great. Lamps. But for instance, all of these things, tchotchkes, all kind of stuff can be bought when you preview. Now this is a fireplace fender set. And the fire dogs. Now these are just off the chain. Look at the bat wings. Beautiful, beautiful. Go online, look at the still pictures. Your husband called Kelly. He said to buy anything you want to. Of course, I modified that. So you can buy what you want to. Love this wide hallway. Tons of linens. They are all nice. Quality electric blankets. You can buy those when you pick up. Look at that black towelware painted chest. There's the towelware lamp. I tell you what, I looked at these all of my life. I think everybody, I know my dad had one, and that's where your wallet went, and that's where your change went. Pretty cool. These are also on auction. 2 solid maple beds. This chest by American Drew. The mirror. The chamber pot that looks like it came off the showroom floor as well. There's some clothes in the closet. Tons of linens to pick through. You will see several lots of linens on auction. If we don't get to have the time to put these on there, you can pick through them, all you people that love linens. And I mean, these are really, really exceptional. Community linen rental. Well, did somebody not return it to the linen rental? Well, I don't think they all say that. Great piece right here. And this is a little Victorian child's chair. Or unless you had a tiny little granny, because she could sit right down there, but she'd have to be really tiny because this is close to the floor. This is a Butler's curio cabinet. Butler is the main manufacturer of fine curio cabinets. It is signed in the back. We have a pair of French side tables, a pair of them. They are sweet. Look at them at auction. An oak washstand, TV. Great little piece right here. I love this one drawer pine chest. Oh yeah, let me not forget this. This is walnut and it is signed. You can look at the details online. It is lot number $121. Great dressing table. Turned legs, all handmade. The stacked on lamps are mid-century modern. Of course, the shades have been replaced. Beautiful four-poster bed. The bed is separate. The coverlet is also separate. Let's go back here. Love this pressed back rocker. Look at the details on that. Good piece. That is lot number 17. And this is a jewelry chest. That's lot number 73 with all the contents. Great oak entryway table here. Look at those feet. Fabulous, fabulous. Victorian chair. Look at this little piece right there. This is lot number 60. Now the bed is not on there. You can buy that when you pick up. File cabinets. Now this is probably borderlines or is the best piece in the house as far as antiques go. Lot number 66 is amazing. That is one pine board on the top. All handmade, hand done, original to the house like all these other pieces are. Fabulous lamps, tons of great items to buy. All right, join us online. And remember, when you pick up, you get to shop. You get to shop. Just make a pile and I'll make you a price.